GRAYL GeoPress 24-ounce water purifier bottle. When speed and simplicity matter, the GRAYL GeoPress turns unsafe water into clean drinking water in seconds. Fill the outer shell with contaminated water, press the inner cartridge, and in about 8 seconds, you are holding fully purified, drink-ready water. Using electroadsorption and ion exchange technology, the GeoPress removes viruses, bacteria, protozoa, microplastics, heavy metals, and many chemicals, delivering broad-spectrum protection in a rugged bottle built to survive a 10-foot drop. The intuitive press design requires no hoses, batteries, or setup, making it ideal for travel, survival kits, and emergency use. Compact, durable, and ready at a moment's notice, the GRAYL GeoPress 24 ounces typically sells for around $100 and stands out as a true grab-and-go solution for clean hydration anywhere conditions turn uncertain. Zippo Mag Strike Ferro Rod Fire Starter. When cold sets in and dexterity disappears, fire starting has to work the first time. The Zippo Mag Strike Ferro Rod is built for that moment. It uses a rugged 5/16" ferrocerium rod housed in a textured, triangular ABS body that locks into your hand for solid control, even with gloves or numb fingers. The stainless steel striker pulls smoothly and throws a dense shower of sparks reaching temperatures up to 5,400 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to ignite tinder fast in wet, icy, or wind-driven conditions. A snap-lock protective cover shields the rod from corrosion and damage, keeping the system ready when fire becomes a survival priority instead of a convenience. Reliable, compact, and field-proven, the Zippo Mag Strike typically sells between $17 and $27 and turns fire starting from a gamble into a repeatable, dependable skill when conditions are working against you. Survivor Filter Pro Portable Water Filter Pump. Survivor Filter Pro is built to deliver safe drinking water anywhere, without chemicals or electricity. This compact pump filters down to 0.01 microns, removing up to 99% of viruses, bacteria, and protozoa to protect you from the most dangerous waterborne threats. A dedicated carbon filtration stage reduces heavy metals such as lead and mercury while improving taste and odor. Both the pre-filter and ultra-filter are fully backwashable, allowing easy field maintenance and extending service life. With a rated lifespan of up to 100,000 liters and a flow rate of 500 milliliters per minute, it provides fast, reliable hydration without cross-contamination. Durable, field-serviceable, and engineered for long-term use, the Survivor Filter Pro typically sells for around $70 and stands as a serious, survival-ready water filtration system when clean water becomes non-negotiable. Kettle Trekker. In the wild, clean boiling water is non-negotiable, and the Kettle Trekker makes it fast and effortless. Its double-walled stainless steel water jacket surrounds a central chimney, creating a powerful thermal updraft that turns a handful of twigs, bark, or pine cones into a rolling boil in about 3 minutes. Wind and rain actually improve airflow through the chimney, allowing the kettle to perform reliably in harsh conditions where traditional stoves struggle. Laser-welded construction prevents leaks and increases long-term durability, while the compact packable design fits easily into a backpack without wasted space. Fuel-independent, rugged, and field-proven, the Kettle Trekker typically sells between $72 and $100 and delivers rapid boiling for freeze-dried meals, hot drinks, and safe drinking water when survival depends on efficiency. Uberleben Kessel Pot. In the backcountry, efficient cooking depends on gear that can take heat and keep control. The Uberleben Kessel Pot is built for that exact role. Available in stainless steel or titanium, the stainless version stands out for its even heat distribution, reducing hotspots when cooking over open flame. With a 1.1 liter capacity, it is sized perfectly for solo trips or shared meals for 2 people. A locking bail handle keeps the pot stable when suspended over a fire, while the vented lid allows steam to escape without rattling. The hardwood lid knob stays cool to the touch, letting you check food without burning your fingers. A built-in pouring spout helps transfer hot liquids cleanly into bottles or cups with minimal waste, Durable, practical, and thoughtfully designed, the Uberleben Kessel Pot typically sells for around $48 and earns its place as a dependable bushcraft cooking essential. Barnett Whitetail Hunter Compound Crossbow. Step into precision hunting with the Barnett Hunter Crossbow. Engineered for compact performance in tight tree stands and dense woods. Its signature step-through riser integrates the foot stirrup into the riser, reducing overall length and weight without sacrificing power or balance. Weighing just 6.6 pounds and measuring roughly 34 7/8 inches long by 20 1/8 inches wide uncocked, it maneuvers easily in confined spaces. The 187-pound draw weight delivers 118.6 foot-pounds of kinetic energy, sending bolts up to 375 feet per second. Finished in mossy oak bottomland camouflage, it blends naturally into the environment. Hunters enjoy a crisp 3-pound pull thanks to the TriggerTech frictionless release trigger with zero creep, while advanced safety features, including anti-dry fire technology, knock sensors, and finger safety reminders, ensure confidence in every shot. Exotac titanLIGHT Lighter. When long-term fuel reliability matters, the Exotac titanLIGHT turns a simple lighter into a true survival tool. Precision machined from aircraft-grade aluminum, it uses high-quality O-rings on both the main body and fuel cap to create a tight, hermetic seal that prevents fuel evaporation during extended storage. The titanLIGHT is fully waterproof to depths of up to 3 feet and continues to ignite reliably even after full submersion. Standard flints and wicks make field maintenance straightforward, while the aluminum body sheds heat quickly during repeated strikes, improving durability and comfort in sustained use. Rugged, compact, and built for real-world conditions, the Exotac titanLIGHT typically sells for around $50 and delivers dependable fire when modern disposable lighters fall short. Gerber Downrange Tomahawk. Gerber Downrange Tomahawk is a serious breaching tool built for tactical operators, rescue teams, and urban professionals who demand reliable performance when forced entry is the only option. Forged in the USA from a single piece of tough 420 HC high-carbon stainless steel with a durable corrosion-resistant Cerakote finish, it stands ready for hard, repeated impacts without compromise. The triple-purpose head delivers versatile destruction. A sharp, beveled axe edge cuts through drywall and light structures. A hardened hammerhead strikes locks and hinges with authority. And an integrated pry cutout provides powerful leverage for breaching. At the base of the handle, a dedicated pry bar extends its capability, turning the entire tool into an efficient 3-in-1 platform that replaces multiple pieces of gear. Desert Tan G10 handle scales ensure a secure, high-traction grip, even when wet or gloved, for precise control in high-stress situations.